Hey everyone! Welcome back to Language Learning Channel. I'm Olivia, your English teacher and friend. Tell me honestly, have you ever spoken English and then thought, oh no, did I just say that wrong? Don't worry, you are not alone. Almost every English learner makes small mistakes, and that's okay. But today, we will fix them together. Because remember, mistakes mean you're learning. So grab your notebook and let's begin. Mistake number 1. I am agree. Many students say, I am agree with you, but that's wrong. You don't need am here. The correct way is, I agree with you, because agree is already a verb. It doesn't need am. Let's repeat together. I agree with you. Yes, I agree. See? Easy. Mistake number 2, she don't like it. This one is super common. People say, she don't like coffee, but that's incorrect. Because for he, she, it, we use doesn't, not don't. She doesn't like coffee. Let's practice. He doesn't like tea. She doesn't like cold weather. Perfect. You're already improving. These small corrections make your English sound more natural and confident. And trust me, once you stop making these tiny mistakes, people will say, wow, your English sounds great. All right, everyone, time for the next big mistake. This one is so common that even good speakers forget it sometimes. Mistake number 3, I have many informations. Sounds okay, right? But actually, it's wrong. Information is uncountable, so we never say informations. No S. The correct way is, I have a lot of information. Let's practice together. I have a lot of information about this topic. Can you give me some information? Perfect. Remember, no S after information. English can be funny, right? Some words just don't like the letter S. Mistake number 4. He is married with a doctor. I hear this one a lot. In many languages, we say married with someone. But in English, that's not correct. We say he is married to a doctor. Married to someone. Engaged to someone. Examples. I'm married to John. She's engaged to an engineer. Good job. One small preposition can change the whole meaning, right? That's why English is both beautiful and tricky. Mistake number 5. I didn't saw her today. This is the most popular mistake ever. People often mix past tense words with did. Remember this rule. If you used did, the next verb must be in base form, not past. I didn't see her today. I didn't go to school. I didn't eat breakfast. Repeat after me. I didn't see her. Good. You're getting better and better. If you speak like this, even native speakers will say, wow, you sound fluent. So far, we've learned 5 mistakes that 90% of English learners make. But we're not done yet. The next ones are a little tricky, about pronunciation and word confusion. Stay with me because the last one is the funniest mistake I've ever heard in my class. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one confuses almost every student I teach. Mistake number 6. Few versus a few. Listen carefully. These 2 tiny words can completely change your meaning. Few means almost none, very little, almost zero. A few means some, a small number but not zero. For example, I have few friends means you are sad because you almost have no friends. So that's not good. I have a few friends means you have some friends, and that's good. See the difference? One small word, a, changes the whole feeling. Let's practice. I have a few books. I have few problems now. I'm happy. Mistake number 7. I am having a car. Students often say this because they think having means owning. But remember, we don't use am having for things we own permanently. Correct, I have a car. Correct, I have 2 sisters. We only use am having when it's temporary or happening now. Examples: I'm having lunch. I'm having a great time. So next time, don't say I'm having a car. Otherwise, people might think your car is on your plate. Dear. Mistake number 8. I am looking forward to see you. Ah, such a lovely sentence, but one small grammar twist. After looking forward to, we always use verb plus ing form. Correct, I'm looking forward to seeing you. Correct, I'm looking forward to meeting you. Repeat after me. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Perfect! Now it sounds natural and fluent, like a native speaker. You're doing so well. Seriously, every small correction you make brings you closer to speaking beautiful, confident English. So keep going. We still have 2 more funny and useful mistakes to fix, and trust me, the last one will make you laugh. Welcome back! We've reached the final part, the last 2 mistakes. These are funny, common, but very important. Mistake number 9. He can sings very well. Students often say he can sings very well. But when we use can, could, will, should, the next verb is always in base form, not with an S. Correct, he can sing very well. Correct, she can dance beautifully. Correct, I can read this book easily. Repeat after me. He can sing very well. She can dance beautifully. See? One little S can make a big mistake, but now you know. Mistake number 10. Let's discuss about the topic. This one sounds like it comes from another language. In English, after discuss, we never use about. Correct is let's discuss the topic. Or we discussed the problem yesterday. Repeat with me. Let's discuss the project. We discussed our plan this morning. Now your sentences sound natural and confident, exactly like a native speaker. See? These 10 mistakes are very common, and now you know how to fix them. Remember, making mistakes is normal. Every mistake is a step toward perfect English. Practice daily, speak slowly, and use simple words. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying. Every time you correct a mistake, you are getting stronger, smarter, and more confident. So don't be afraid. Speak, repeat, and enjoy learning. I promise, one day people will say, "Wow, your English sounds amazing." Thank you for joining me today. Remember, English is fun, easy, and for everyone. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye!